Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. So far, Bitcoin is going good after breaking out this down channel. We are having some correction here. Not correction, but moving here sideways. It is possible that we will have some correction because we have broken out a very strong resistance. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And let's move back to this chart and we can see that we have broken out one of the longest channel in the history of Bitcoin. And after this rejection, very small rejection on 1st of Feb, we finally broke out with a very powerful bullish candlestick, this resistance of the down channel and also this resistance of $39,600. And previously we can see that this level, this resistance of $39,600 has been working as a support and resistance several times, like when we had this rally that was started from December to January 2020 to 2021. The price line rejected from this resistance here, and here as well, and finally broke it out. This resistance of $39,600. And here for the long time period, this level has been breaking as a resistance, here as a support, here as a support. Right now, it was again breaking as a resistance, and the price line broke it out here with the powerful bullish candlestick. And now we have the next resistance, price level resistance here, that is at $44,000. That is also a very strong resistance. You can see that previously this resistance of $44,000 has been breaking as a resistance and support several times. Like here, back in January 2022, it has been breaking as a resistance for several days. And before this, here it worked as a resistance, here as a resistance, here resistance, and before this here, it worked as a support back in Feb 2021 and here in at the start of Feb 2021. Therefore, right now again it can break as a strong resistance. And before that, we also have this daily 50 simple moving average, this green line, that is also a very strong resistance. But if we want the most recent 3 data points, then we can see whenever the price line tried to break it out, this 50 simple moving average, it easily broke it out. Like here, we have seen no resistance, and before that, here we saw no resistance, and before that, here we saw no resistance, and the price line easily broke it out. In fact, we have 2 touch points here. One is here, and at the next attempt, the price line broke out this resistance of 50 simple moving average. The more powerful resistance that was breaking as a resistance for the price line is the combination of EMA 10 and 21 on the daily time frame. Here you can see that the price line had struggled a lot, and after breaking out this EMA 10 and 21, also broke out the simple moving average 50 as well. And after that, when we broke it down here, then you can see that the price line again struggled a lot to break out the exponential moving averages 10 and 21. This red is 21 and this blue line is EMA 10. And it struggled a lot and broke out both moving averages and easily broke out the simple moving average 50. This time again, we have, after a lot of struggle, we have broken out these 2 EMAs, the exponential moving average 10 and 21. Therefore, it is possible that once more the price line will easily break out the simple moving average 50 on the daily time frame. But remember, we have the price level resistance at $44,000 that can work as a strong resistance. But again, even though we are having a strong resistance, upcoming resistance, but we are also going to receive a bull cross, this smaller time frame moving average 10. EMA 10 is crossing up, going to cross up very soon, this EMA 21. And if we want the most recent data points, then we can see whenever we have received these bull crosses, then the price line turned really bullish and broke out the next resistance levels very easily. Like here we can see, and here we can see when this EMA 10 crossed up this EMA 21, we had a very nice rally. And before that, when it crossed up here, we had a very big rally. And we can receive this bull cross very soon, within a 1 or 2 days, or maybe within few hours. And after that, there will be a really very high probability that the price line will break out the next resistance levels of simple moving average 50 and also $44,000 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.